My correct people, don't welcome back to Christy TV. Angela Okorie and Zubby Michael reconciled after months of feud. These people have been having different basketballs on the social media. Basketballs not be here. They've been having basketballs for a long time. And even when Junior Pope JP passed on, Angela Okorie gave it to Zubby Michael Woto. But to the glory of God, my correct people, them una dey see am both of them don't reconciliation something. But some people they ask me that they reconcile, can't be with Igbo, una you can't use Igbo, they reconcile. Anyway, my correct people, them this now whether they try like kion they kiss each other or more, someone still complain say una sure say these people know they date. Anyway, my correct people, you see in this life, when two people they get basketballs, whether na friends or whether na just brothers or whether na man or husband and wife or whether na girlfriend and boyfriend, if you dey talk, minimize the kind thing where you dey talk. No talk pass your tongue, because when they go reconcile, they fit use you reconcile. Now so life will be, my correct people them. Yes, so even if the wife dey tell you say this man wicked, the husband dey tell you this one wicked or more, who knows? Do you understand? So you have to be careful in this life. So thank God that these two people that have come back together as friends or whatever they might think they are. I don't care, but at least let love lead. This is 2024. We are entering into the year 2025. So if you are having beef or you are having hatred towards in your mind for someone else, so it is better for you to think of how to eliminate that particular hatred that you have for your fellow human being. That is fact about life. Allow love to lead in this fact, in this life, because there is nothing in this world, my correct people them. So if it happens, say there is any Nollywood actor or actress where they don't invest for Angela Okorie because of say he talk ill about Zubby Michael, or they invest for Zubby Michael say he talk ill about Angela Okorie, what of now they don't come together? As now they don't reconcile. Shebi they don't. What do you want me to talk? When they talk because of you now, you see the matter now. Now wetin remain Angela Okorie, it remains you and Mercy Johnson. We been here say you and Mercy Johnson now 5 and 6. Last we no come here know wetin come cause problem wey make you and Mercy Johnson come become enemy. If you know as you and this Zubby Michael come reconcile now, come make up again, make you just use that angle go make up with Mercy Johnson. Be at peace with all your co-workers, so that it's not when you mistakenly, for instance, you went for a movie shooting, and probably your stomach starts pinching you or whatever it might be, and you start thinking that it is one of your colleagues that have put something in a drink and you drank or whatever it might be. Do you understand it? Or someone wanted to kill you, or maybe they use their finger to do it, this and that and this. No, be at peace. Do you understand it? Try to be at peace with all your colleagues, at least, so that when you go out and see any of them, you will freely, associate with them and greet everyone equally. You see, in this life, don't love whenever you are having something. Let me say, for instance, as a movie star or whatever it might be, as an actor or an actress, don't take anyone as your enemy. Love and treat all of them equal, but don't take anyone as your best friend, because you don't know who is who. Because you don't know who is who at the back. Do you understand it? Treat anyone, all your colleagues, treat them equally. Now, treat them equally. That's all life will be. Nothing there this world. Don't even do as if you love this one past this one. No. Show equal rights, equal love, and equal respect. That will make you stand, separately. Let me say, they will place you high. That's more. This person no get problem. She's loved by all. She's loyal. In fact, she's kind. Do you know? But when you treat some of your colleagues preferentially and treat others as if they are not human beings, or maybe they are inferior to your greetings, or maybe they have not arrived, they are not up to your standard, they are not in your level, and you feel like you can just do them anyhow you wish or you want. No, that is when people will start saying this person have pride, this and that. So in this life, always allow love to lead. See these two people. Do you remember the thing that happened on the social? This will happen online. Gbass, full-time gbass. Last, they can't reconcile. So that is to tell you that nothing of this world, So if you don't dey get beef with person since last year, oh, go and look for how to reconcile, because you see this world, nothing dey in this world. Learn from this Angela Okorie and Zubby Michael. They don reconcile their gbas gbos don finish. That is how life should be. No matter if you talk, just use your mouth, talk something. Talk am, make e comot for your mouth, for your mind. Finish. Tomorrow when you still see the person wey you and am talk, you fit greet am, you no go greet am. That's how life is. As you don talk your mind, kpam, file, make that thing dey go. Carry life, move on. Do you understand it? Than always you dey shrink, you dey carry your mind, you dey raise your shoulder, you no go greet, you no go do this one. If I see am, I go pass. This one, nothing dey this world. I say make I tell una. Anyway, congratulations to these two Nollywood actor and actress that reconciled after having feud and gbas full-time gbas on the social media app, and they still deem it necessary to post this particular video on the social media so that people will see that finally that this gbas that they had, they are finally reconciled. So rejoice with them in this particular one. What is your opinion, my correct people? Tell us in the comment section if actually Zubby Michael did the right thing or not.